Welcome to the best picks. The Best Pimple Popper is probably one of the most sought-after tools for anyone battling stubborn blemishes, offering a satisfyingly direct approach to clear skin. But before you dive in and start squeezing, it's crucial to understand the nuances of using such a device effectively and safely, as the wrong technique can lead to more problems than it solves, potentially causing scarring, infection, or increased inflammation, making the decision to use one a significant one for your skin's health and appearance. Number 5. MENOLY 10 PCS Pimple Popper Toolkit. Introducing the MENOLY Pimple Popper Toolkit, your ultimate solution for clear skin. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle all your blemish concerns effectively. With 10 specialized tools, you can precisely target blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. Achieve professional-level extraction in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to stubborn zits and blemishes. Our tools are crafted for safe and hygienic removal, preventing further irritation and breakouts. This versatile kit is perfect for use on your face and nose. It effectively addresses various types of acne, leaving your skin smoother and healthier. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included premium leather bag. It's perfect for storage and travel, ensuring you always have your skincare essentials on hand. Invest in your skin's health with this essential toolkit. Experience the confidence that comes with a clearer, more radiant complexion. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a variety of tools for every blemish. It comes with a convenient leather bag for easy storage and portability. If you're looking for a complete solution to tackle all types of pimples and blackheads, this is the set for you. What people say. The product is very effective in removing pimples. The design is user-friendly and easy to operate. It has multiple functions that cater to different skin needs. Number 4. Grace and STELLA Award Winning Pore Strips. Are you struggling with persistent pimples? Our award-winning patches are here to help you achieve clearer skin. These hydrocolloid acne patches work effectively to shrink the appearance of zits and breakouts. Simply apply them to the affected areas. Our spot stickers are designed to be invisible, so you can wear them day or night without anyone noticing. They provide powerful treatment for your blemishes. You can trust the quality and safety of our product. It's dermatologist tested and made with vegan ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective solution. This pack contains 36 invisible patches, providing you with a generous supply to tackle breakouts as they appear. Enjoy clearer skin for longer. Experience the confidence that comes with clearer, smoother skin. Our pore strips are your secret weapon against blemishes. What we like. These award-winning patches are designed to be discreet and effective. They are dermatologist tested and work quickly to reduce the appearance of pimples. If you need a subtle yet powerful way to treat breakouts without drawing attention, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The Pimple Pop is a great tool for removing blackheads and whiteheads. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and is very durable. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, making it comfortable to use. Number 3. Blackhead Blackhead and Blemish Remover, 2 packs. Tired of stubborn blackheads and blemishes? Our powerful tool is designed to effectively remove them, leaving your skin clear and smooth. This versatile 2-in-1 extractor tool offers a comprehensive solution for your skincare needs. It tackles both blackheads and pimples with ease. Experience a gentle yet effective way to achieve clearer skin. It's designed for safe and precise removal, minimizing irritation. Achieve professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. This tool helps you maintain a radiant complexion effortlessly. Get double the value with this pack of 2 removers. Keep one for yourself and share the other, or have a backup for convenience. What we like. This tool combines 2 essential functions for efficient blemish removal. It's designed for professional-level results in a simple-to-use format. If you prefer a no-fuss, effective tool for tackling blackheads and pimples, and appreciate a great value, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The Pimple Pop is designed to be a safe and effective way to remove blackheads and whiteheads without causing damage to the skin. It features a variety of tools, including extractors, needles, and tweezers, to address different types of blemishes. The ergonomic design of the tools ensures a comfortable grip and precise control during use. Number 2. I Do Care Dual Tip Pimple Tool. Tired of stubborn blemishes? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve clearer skin. This innovative tool is designed for effective and precise removal. Featuring a unique dual-tip design, it offers versatility for various skin concerns. Tackle blackheads and pimples with professional-grade accuracy. Experience gentle exfoliation and extraction without causing further irritation. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a smooth complexion. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool provides a hygienic and durable solution. Achieve salon-like results in the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to radiant skin. This essential beauty tool is a must-have for anyone seeking a flawless appearance. What we like? This unique tool features a dual-tip design for versatile blemish treatment. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it offers precision and hygiene. If you like having multiple functionalities in one tool and appreciate a professional feel for your skincare routine, this is a great option. What people say. The product is very effective in removing pimples. It has a unique design that makes it easy to use. The features are well thought out and contribute to its functionality. Number 1. Dots for Spots Pimple Patches. Tired of stubborn blemishes? Our fast-acting patches are here to help. They work quickly to address your skin concerns. Experience the power of Korean skincare. These patches are designed to gently unclog pores for clearer-looking skin. Our patches are virtually invisible once applied. They blend seamlessly with your skin, so you can wear them confidently day or night. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our formula is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Each pack contains 60 patches, providing you with ample supply. Get ready for clearer, healthier-looking skin. What we like? These fast-acting patches are nearly invisible and inspired by effective Korean skincare. They work to deeply unclog pores for clearer skin. If you're seeking a transparent solution that targets pore congestion and want to incorporate popular K-beauty methods, these are perfect for you. What people say. The product is designed to be easy to use and clean. It effectively removes blackheads and pimples without causing irritation. The device comes with multiple attachments for different skin types and concerns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.